Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have makeup, okay? I need to get back into my makeup. It's a really nice place to be when you are trying to relax. I love color anyway, so we're gonna get back into it. Plus my hair is done. Okay, you can go check that tutorial out on the last video. More back blonde, so I'm in a good mood. And I got my all black on today, so black turtleneck. I be feeling myself in my black turtleneck. So I don't know why, I'm in the mood for blue. It's still snow outside, maybe that's the reason why, but we're working with blues today. I'm gonna use that main blue, y'all know I love it, in my Culture 2 palette, plus the blue in my Glow palette. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna put that on my lid because it's kind of like a baby blue when I put it on my finger. I was like, okay, so we're gonna try it. I never used that blue before, so I really want to see what it'll mix up with like a darker blue. So I want to see what those two blues will look like together. So let's get into this tutorial. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna do my brows first. We got them back blonde, so if you want to know, I use my BH Cosmetic palette, y'all. It's the BH Studio Pro. I've used this Ultimate Brow Palette, that's what it's called. I've used this palette for so long, and that's what it looks like still. Like, I've used this color, like these colors. This was the one I was using before. You can tell I was using the heck out of it. Now I'm onto this one because it gives me my light brown color. And if y'all want to look at this, how about, let me tell y'all something. The reason I start bleaching my brows, there's a legit reason. I don't keep them blonde. Like, I don't go out with no eyebrows. I literally did it just so I can get that color. And I hear you could get them tinted, but I don't know how to do that. So I was like, let's just bleach them and color them. That's like the best thing you could do. Like, I love these. So I'm just gonna lightly do this with my brows. And it takes no time. Like, it's a really good color and it sticks. Okay, y'all, so I set my eyebrows with the powder under them that went to my lid. It just make everything so much easier. I still don't understand how people do their face and then their eyeshadow. It's just because I waste so much eyeshadow, like when I'm doing stuff. But that also could have been the palette, because it's like eyeshadow really shouldn't fall that much, but you never know. So I'm gonna go in with my blue. So this, y'all, this is my favorite palette. Okay, I really wish, the only thing I wish that this palette had was like the blue I showed you guys right here. This is the one I'm gonna be using for the base, the main thing. I really wish there was a cream color of that. Oh my god, if there was a cream color of it, that would be a game changer. That's like, this is my favorite color in here, because when I do the two greens, oh my god, that shimmer is insane. I did that look many times. The pink is in here is really good. I wish these were more vibrant. That's a good vibrant one. This one is a good vibrant one, and this is the best vibrant one. So these three, the orange and the greens, if y'all can see that V. So I wish they had one, but this is the most vibrant color out of all of this and the pink one. So we're gonna go with the blue. And every time I use this blue, I do it by itself, so I'm really curious. I'm putting that other blue on my lid, y'all. So I'm curious. And when I say vibrant, this is it. Look at that. Let me get my face at the camera. There we go. It's so freaking dark. I love it. And this color falls. That's why I put this on first, because I don't want this to get into my clothes, which it still might, but I'm wearing black and I can easily wash the shirt, so I'm not worried about it. Oh guys, we are finally on some more makeup. So I'm doing my blue eye, and I love this color. This is my favorite color. I wear it when I can. I don't wear it too many times, but I'm definitely wearing it this semester, probably first day of school, because blue is a game changer. It's a bold statement. When people look at it, it just tell you to look. And I'm blending it out, and this color is not hard to blend at all. It takes a long time. That's the thing. With blue, especially a dark blue, you have to continue to blend till it just look like, until it's what you want it to be. It's not easy, but it just takes a while, but it's not hard at the same time, if that makes sense. Hey, yo, I be blending so crazy. I swear. And nothing concealer won't fix, so I'm not worried about it. I went too high over here. That's what I did. So y'all, let me show y'all this color. Look at this. How cute is that color though? Hope y'all can see it. There we go. This color is so vibrant. I really hope it comes out shimmery, but I don't know. I wish I had glitter so I can put it around this. Roman, don't lick my brushes. Yeah, this I got too much stuff around here. So let's see how this works. Okay, it is like a shimmer color. I just need it to be a little more brighter, which I think it's doing. Oh yeah, it's doing the job what I wanted it to do. Because I only want to put this on the lid. I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see what I'm talking about, okay? This color is so pretty. I got this palette at Ulta. It's just a glow palette. Look at that. Yeah, that is so pretty. This is what I was hoping. It's so vibrant. And the good thing is that you don't, and I can clean this up, that's because I'm a blend. The good thing is that you don't have to put you don't have to dig into this product. It's like a cream eyeshadow. I'm gonna use my other brush. This is not, it's not compact, so it's like a thinner, smoother brush. I'd say it's like a blender brush, but like more angled, that's it. So I'm gonna use this to blend it out because I don't want it to get it everywhere now. I just want it to stay on this part. We'll stay on like top on the lid kinda. I just don't want to use that the blending brush with this part. Oh, I love this color. This is so pretty. Now I need to do a Superwoman, like Superwoman look, man, because this blue is everything. And I got a pretty red too. With a shimmer red. Y'all, superhero look may be coming soon. Because I think I'm going to have to do it. Oh, this is so pretty. Like there's a big difference if you, let me, oh God. It's a difference when you look closely. Guys, I'm so obsessed with these two blues. That second, like, shimmer blue is so freaking pretty. And I'm surprised I never used that color. I was like, when am I going to wear it with? But it really do matches that blue. So I ended up putting a little, like, a black on the outsides, and it kind of made it navy blue. But I wanted some kind of darkness so it wasn't so bright on the eye. Because putting that shimmer on my eye made the color a little bit brighter. Okay, y'all. So I'm over here looking, I feel like I look like a villain right now. I put black on the outsides and it turned into like dark navy blue, which I'm okay with that too. And y'all, all this is just like, it's like a lot of blending. A lot of blending. So we are going to go into eyeliner next. I always tell you, trust the process. So now we're going to go with our liner. Why do I not have nothing in front of me? I'll be so just not prepared. Now, we're not doing a thick liner because I love this blue. And I don't want to like ruin it. So I'm going to do like a thin liner this time. We'll see. Because every time I say thin, I mess up and it go thick. We are onto liner, and I did a really good job this time, y'all, because I swear every time I mess up on my liner, it's because I keep trying to make it thicker, but I didn't want to make this one too thick because I was like, I really want the lid to show that like shimmer blue, so that was the goal of this one. Y'all, this blue is just amazing. I'm definitely doing a superhero look one day with some red, white, and blue because this is so freaking pretty. I'm obsessed with it, and it just looks so good with the blonde hair. I just can't stop talking about it. And also, I do put black eyeshadow on my liner afterwards to set it as matte. Okay, y'all, now I'm doing my foundation. I use Maybelline Fit Me Foundation color 355. That is my color. How am I running out of everything? Girl, go to the store. I really gotta go to Ulta, y'all, to stock up because how am I running? I just don't, you know what, and it's snowing right now. Like, we still got ice and it's not drivable for me. So, I can't even go right now, y'all. Yeah, I gotta get me some more foundation, y'all. I always just keep forgetting to get some, but I easily just use like a thinner brush and get it out because I swear I be running out. So we on foundation. I use the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation 355. I used this since I was in high school. Probably should try another one, but this is just my favorite foundation, y'all. This is the matte one. I normally use Dewy Smooth, but this is a really good one too. But I want to try a new one, but it's like, I don't know if it's going to be a favorite. And for my concealer, I use Pro LA Girl. I use the color Suede and Toffee. It's a full coverage, total coverage. It's my favorite. It's amazing, y'all. I've been using that also for a while. It's just hard for me to use new products when I'm so used to them and they have good results. Y'all know what I mean? You just can't use everything, but I do want to try some new ones. Okay, y'all, I'm trying to see if I want to do powder or under eye first. I think I'm going to do the under eye. But this will just help so I don't have to mess up my hand with concealer on it. Then we're going to do our powder. So I said this before, but a lot of new people here. I don't do a whole like bake-in. I do just my powder because I don't want all that on my face. I've always been like that. I can do it. I just don't want, it's a lot of powder. I don't want all that cream on my face, like the cream concealer. And then you set it. It's just too much. It's too much. Everybody don't do their makeup that way. Be realistic. So yeah, I don't do all that. And I'm just being real. I'm not doing all that. So I'm going to go in with my powder. And I got this one from, it's also Essence. I use a lot of Essence. I just thought about that. It was like $5 at Ulta, y'all. So really nice to have. And this is what it is, just a regular powder. It's not easy finding a color, and I think like a powder that's good with your skin. I don't know why, but I always find a good one. So it's like I just try to do something that's a little more tanner than me, but this is like my color, which is nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I was thinking, I was like, one day I need to try Meredith, her foundation thing, but I don't think I could ever do it. I just don't think She's so pretty. I'm just like, girl, I saw her thing, her motto, I guess is, if it's a motto, her more is more. I like that. That's a good one. I love makeup. But I just don't think I can use my hands to do that with foundation, liquid foundation at that. Also, that's a lot of product and I'm just too cheap to waste my product like that. Like, I don't know how that, like, that's a whole bottle. I can't waste my product like that. Also, is it not like, you should, girl, I know you should hot. It's like, you got to be hot into all that. It's too much. I'd rather have the powder than like all that liquid though. BH Cosmetics, Glowing and Grace palette. I dropped all these palettes. It's so crazy, y'all. Like, it don't make sense how many I've dropped. And they always mess up. Okay. Just a little glam. Okay. So, I'm going to finish this off camera. I got to do mascara, lashes, set my face, lip gloss, because we do lip gloss. And I'll see you guys at the end of the video. And this is the finished look, guys. I love this blue. It's amazing how everything turns out perfect at the end when you put it all together. I did lashes, set my face, and lip gloss. So simple, so cute. And the blonde and the blue, you can't tell me nothing. This blue is on point. I love everything about this, okay? I'm always in a good mood when I'm looking my best, and I feel good when I have makeup on. Also, blue is like now becoming my favorite color. At first, it was red and pink. Actually, pink is not, but red is. But blue is really like chef kisses. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can check this hair video out on my last video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you beautiful people on the next video. Bye. How cute. Seriously. Go be blonde if you're not, and put some blue eyes, okay? Come on. Bye.